Today, I'll be teaching you how to make a defect detector for Lego trains. These are the pieces you will need. A 4x4 plate, a pole, a 1x2 plate with a brick in the middle. You need one of those, two of these 2-block tall, 2 wide bricks. Then you'll need one of these 2x2 slanted bricks. Then you'll need one of these little clips. For the actual detector, you'll need 4 of these and 4 of these smaller slopes and 1 piece of track. Okay, so for the first part, the actual detector, you're going to need to put the sloped bricks like this in the middle track. That's where I have them, but you can put them anywhere. And then you put the smaller ones on the outside, like that. It's relatively simple. And then there is the defect detector part. Just set that aside. And then you're going to need these pieces for the actual detector, or like the thing that relays the signal. So first you just get these 2 pieces, put them in the middle. And then I get a slope piece, put it there as the silver or gray box. And then I put that piece there. And then I grab this cone, not cone, like a clip piece, and I put that there as the antenna, or as the, what's I'm gonna call it? Satellite dish. And that is the detector. At some point, I want to redo that part to have it be slanted more like this up to the sky, and more of an angle. But so that's my end product now. And then I have my section of track, my train. And then I'm just gonna grab some more track. Just put this next to it. And then train goes over, has no problems. And then there's your detector. If you have any other suggestions for me to make, let me know in the comments. And like it if you enjoyed the video. And subscribe if you want to. And so yeah, it's the defect detector. No, I might make a rail greaser next, I don't know. But so yeah. End product is this. Looks pretty good. And I hope if you're watching and you have some Lego trains, you can make this and add some more detail to your little Lego layout. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.